Welcome back, flower enthusiasts. Are you ready for a mesmerizing journey? Our first stop is the royal realm of flowers, the enchanting rose. Did you know there are over 100 species of roses? Truly a symbol of love and elegance. Next, we jet off to the exotic world of orchids, a botanist's dream. With over 25,000 known species, orchids are truly extraordinary and elusive blooms. Now, let's dive into the spiritual realm of the lotus, a symbol of purity and enlightenment. The lotus, rising above murky waters, is a testament to resilience and rebirth. Our final destination is the tropical paradise of jasmine, the queen of the night. Jasmine's intoxicating scent captivates the senses, making it a favorite in perfumes and ceremonies. We've just scratched the surface of the incredible world of popular flowers. We hope you enjoyed this journey with us. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to Earth Girl for more flower adventures.